Login failed on Coinmama App Fix. You open the Coinmama app, ready to buy or sell crypto, but the login screen throws you off with login failed. Don't worry, this happens more often than you think, and most of the time it's an easy fix. Let's start with the basics. Check your internet connection. Coinmama needs a stable and secure network to verify your login credentials. If you're on public Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or your home connection. A weak signal can interrupt the login process. Next, open your App Store or Google Play and make sure your Coinmama app is updated. Tap Update if you see it available. Outdated versions can cause login issues because they no longer align with Coinmama's latest security updates. Then, manually type in your email and password. Avoid autofill or password manager tools, as they sometimes store old or incorrect login information. If you've recently reset your password, double-check that you're using the new one. If you're using two-factor authentication, ensure your device's time settings are accurate. Coinmama uses time-based one-time codes, and if your phone's time doesn't match the server's time, the login will fail. Go to Settings and turn on Set Automatically Under Date and Time. Still can't log in? Clear your app cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps Coinmama Storage Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app. This clears old data and ensures a fresh connection to Coinmama's servers. If everything looks fine, the problem might not be on your end. Coinmama occasionally performs system maintenance or security updates, which can temporarily block logins. Wait a few minutes and try again later. So next time you see login failed on Coinmama, don't panic. Check your connection, update the app, confirm your settings, and refresh the cache. In most cases, you'll be back in your account ready to trade and manage your crypto safely in just a few minutes.